How to withdraw your money on Gemgala app. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you the steps you need to actually follow if you want to withdraw your money on Gemgala app. So looking right here is the home page of my screen. If you are new here, Gemgala app is actually a social entertainment and gaming app that allows users to chat, build communities and play mini games with people worldwide. So in order for you to actually withdraw your money, you just need to follow 3 basic steps, which I'm going to show you on this video. So looking right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the cards icon right there. You need to click on it to go to your profile like this. So in order for you to actually withdraw your money, these are the instructions you need to actually follow. Go ahead and click on the FAQ like this. Once you do that, go ahead and click on withdraw. So looking right here, you just need to carry out 3 steps in order for you to be able to withdraw your money successfully into your local bank account or into your crypto wallet or any bank account that you actually linked to the Gemgala app. So looking right here, the first one is for you to transfer the gem to your mainnet. So you need to have in a gem. So if you don't have a gem, you won't be able to withdraw. So you need to have in a gem. 10,000 gem is actually going to give you $1. So you need to have in some amount of gem in order for you to be able to withdraw your money. So if you have earned about $10, you can be able to withdraw your money. Now remember, 10,000 gem is actually going to give you just $1. So if you have earned about $10, you can now go ahead and transfer the money to your Met wallet. So in order for you to transfer money into your Met wallet, you need to have created a Met wallet account. So you just need to go ahead and log in to the correct Met wallet account and bind your local bank card in the Met wallet. So once you do that, you can now be able to withdraw the money from your Met wallet into your local bank account. So you just need to transfer it to your Met wallet. It's actually going to take some minutes for it to arrive into your Met wallet, and once it is on your Met wallet, transferring it to your bank is not going to take more than 1 minute. In most cases, it might actually take 24 hours, but it's not going to be more than 24 hours. So these are the steps you can actually follow in order for you to be able to withdraw your money from your Gemgala app. So going back right here, looking right here, if you click on the gem like this, you are going to see withdraw. So looking right here as well, it says 10,000 gem is equals to $1, which I've said initially. So in order for you to withdraw your money on your Gemgala app, you just need to go ahead and link your Met wallet to your Gemgala app. Once you do that, come right here and input the amount that you want to withdraw. For example, $10. Once you input the amount right here, you can now go ahead and click on withdraw, and it is going to be transferred to your Met wallet. So now going to your Met wallet like this, you need to go ahead and transfer it to your local bank account. If you have not linked your local bank account yet, I'm going to actually make a video on that. I'm going to actually leave it on this video description so you can be able to know how to link your bank account to your Met wallet. So you just need to go ahead and transfer it from your Met wallet to your local bank account. It's that simple. So this is how simple it is for you to withdraw money from your Gemgala app to your local bank account. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.